Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. And here's our latest rave online review. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best service, and we're proud to say, according to our reviews, we're doing a great job. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you. Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.